Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MemberPress plugin in WordPress. First, you'll need to install and activate the plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. Once active, navigate to the MemberPress settings to configure your initial options, such as currency, email settings, and general site preferences. This foundational setup ensures your membership site is properly configured and ready for members to join. Next, let's create your membership levels. You can define various tiers, each with its own pricing and access permissions. MemberPress allows you to integrate popular payment gateways, making it easy to accept payments securely. This step is crucial for structuring your offerings and monetizing your content effectively. Now, let's protect your valuable content. MemberPress provides robust rules to restrict access to posts, pages, categories, and even custom post types. You can also implement drip content, gradually releasing content to members over a set period. This ensures only paying members can view your exclusive material. Finally, managing your members and understanding your site's performance is straightforward. You can easily view and manage all member accounts, track their subscriptions, and monitor payment statuses. MemberPress also offers reporting features to help you analyze your membership activity and make informed decisions for growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.